guys, what's up? Welcome back to another unboxing video. I'm Mr. DS18. Check this out. I'm going to show you guys today our new shallow subs, the PSW series. These work perfectly in car audio, trucks, Jeeps, on the Jeep tailgate box, on the J-Base. You can put them in the side-by-sides, off-road vehicles. You can put them in a bike, in their bags. They're very shallow. They can handle a lot of power. They get low. I'm going to do a flex video with some bass music so you guys can see how these bad boys can get, and they can flex a lot. So it comes in 3 different versions. We got a single 4 ohm, we got a dual 4 ohm, and then we got a dual 2 ohm. Or is it all the way around? So this is the dual 4 ohm, this is the dual 2 ohm, single voice coil 4 ohm. We're gonna connect this one to our 5-channel Candy amp on the bass channel so you guys can see what this bad boy can do. Now some specs on these guys. So we got 500 watts RMS, 1000 watts max power, 84 dBs. Frequency response starts from 20 hertz all the way to 800 hertz. And we got aluminum voice coil, 2.5 inch voice coil, steel basket, we got PPI cone, and rubber surround. So it's pretty much water resistant. PPI cone, no water is going to go through the cone, damage the voice coil. Then we got the rubber surround for that protection, that low bass, so we can go really low. We got the back part. Let me show you guys the back part. Check out that steel basket, nice DS18 basket. Nice connectors, push connectors, real big ones. Now, let's put this baby to work. Let me grab here my wires. Positive. Negative. There we go. Let's take this out of the way. Let's look for a bass song, a sweep song. Let's see what we got here. Here we go. Amp on. Bass on. Let's see what this bad boy can do. There we go. Now, check this out. Low box. Check out that flex, huh? Pretty insane flex. It's insane. I can give it a little bit more juice. Check that out. Check that out. Check that out. Check that out. I'm probably giving it at least 250, 300 watts on our Candy, on our 5-channel on the subwoofer level. Look at that. So this song has a sweep test from 10 hertz to 32 hertz. It can handle some power. There it goes. There's a part on this sweep. Let's put it on. So you guys can see how it flexes up. I'm going to flip this guy around. There you go. It moves real cool, man. And there you guys have it. The PSW series. We got the dual 2 ohms, we got the dual 4 ohms, and then we got the single 4 ohm. Make sure you guys check them out. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'm Mr. DS18, and we like it loud.